Welcome back. 3 employees of 108 ambulance services have been admitted to GMC following health complications. 108 employees entered 8th day of hunger strike at Azad Maidan. Employees are protesting against poor working conditions and harassment by the GVK management. They are demanding scrapping of contract with the GVK. Union leader of 108 ambulance service says nobody monitored the health of employees who were on hunger strike.
108 employees entered 8th day of hunger strike. Many employees encountered health problems. 3 of the employees were shifted to GMC for treatment. Low sugar level and blood pressure were reported.
आम्ही प्रत्येक वेळा गव्हर्नमेंटाक म्हणजे DISSाक रिक्वेस्ट केले की डेली मॉनिटर करचे म्हणून आमकां पूण आमी जेन्ना रिक्वेस्ट करताले डॉक्टराक तेन्ना डॉक्टर हांगासर केन्ना येनासलो तो आमकां सांगतालो की आमकां ऑथॉरिटी येना वयल्यान फोन येवंक ना वयल्यान जेन्ना ऑर्डर येतली तेन्ना आमी येतले म्हणून सो मागीर आमी 12 फोन केले जाल्यार ते 3:30 4 हांगासर पावताले.
Despite several appeals to the concerned department for health checkup of the employees on hunger strike, no medical officer was deputed for immediate checkup or medication. When questioned Dr. Atul Paibir, he said they visited the spot only after the orders of their superiors.
Last 4 days we have been asked by our superiors to examine. As soon as we have been asked, we have examined the patient. We have given necessary treatment. Okay. Whoever has to be referred, we have already informed the higher officials about the referral of the patient. They are not willing for referral. Again, I have examined whoever is. They are not critical, but somebody's BP is low, somebody's sugar is low. Those patients again we will ask our higher authorities for the referral.
Tiswadi Mamladar Madhu Narvekar paid a visit on 8th day.
The condition is big, it is required duty of the district magistrate to take up and take all the necessary steps.
Following health complications, the employees were shifted to the GMC. Condition of the employees is said to be stable after treatment. However, solution on the 108 staff issue is still not in sight. With Bureau Inputs, Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Consumers demanded to defer proposed hike in electricity bill. A final public hearing was conducted by the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission on the proposed revised power tariff for the state. Electricity Department claimed that the hike is required to bridge the revenue gap of 929.49 crores. Commission will submit its report by March end or first week of April.
हमारी कोशिश है कि by March end, otherwise by first week of April.
The hearing was chaired by Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission Chairman Sudhir Chaturvedi. Consumers raised their concerns over the electricity bill and poor service by the department.
Now the billing process itself was wrong. People used to get huge bills.
2015-2016, the tariff hike proposed by the department should be deferred.
Secretary for Power Prashant Goyal said the consumer will get his repayment if the faulty bills are issued.
Slabs are calculated on monthly basis. Even if you get a 6-month bill, it will be divided by 6 and then the slabs will be calculated. So that should not harm you in any manner. And in fact, no, let me just clarify now. And in fact, in case you are getting a 6-month bill, the department is losing 6-month interest.
Ironically, a final public hearing was not attended by Chief Electrical Engineer. Goa Consumer Forum says Electricity Department is afraid to face the consumers.
Power Secretary himself has been present here, but it shows the failure of the department. That why should a senior IAS officer, when assembly is going on, why IAS officer is to be here today? That means the department is not having some backbone to be present here today.
Goa Consumer Forum has asked the municipal councillors to take up the issue hike in electricity tariff issue during municipal elections.
We will take this issue to Gram Sabhas, and we have already given a call that the new Zilla Panchayats which are elected, this is going to be a serious issue for all councillors, that if they are going to contest in election, they must take a stand on electricity as one of the issues. And their stand that whether the hike should take place or not, it will directly affect their voting position.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Budget of over 89 crores for next financial year was presented by the Marga municipality on Thursday. The budget meeting turned chaotic after the councillors demanded transfer of Chief Officer Naveen Lakshman. However, civil society members strongly opposed the transfer of CO. Shifting of St. Francis Xavier Chapel and promotion of 4 council staff was given approval amidst chaos.
म्हणजे आमगे हे सेवा हिंगा राव नाका तो आमगे जाते तो बेगी आनी न्यू सेवा दी आनी एस तसा फालतू जगून दी नाका हेज्यावन बरो रिस्ट्रिक्ट मागील आमी सगळे काउन्सिलर आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर तशें डिप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर मुखार सांगिल्ला
रिक्वेस्ट नो व्हाई विल आई रिक्वेस्ट यार दिस इज आवर ड्यूटी ट्रांसफर एंड पोस्टिंग्स इज नॉट आवर प्रेरोगेटिव राइट दिस इज द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट अलोन वेयरएवर दे सेंड अस वी विल वर्क fearlessly and in a way which upholds the values of the constitution. It really doesn't matter where we are.
The meeting was attended by a large number of civil society members and activists. Shifting of St. Francis Xavier Chapel was approved at the meet. Various other issues were also discussed.
It was after the meeting that we told the councillors that we want to speak to each of them to address a grievance. But none of the councillors actually waited. They directly went out. They were not ready to listen to us. They were not ready to take any questions. They went directly into the chamber of the chairperson. To the back door. So the councillors have failed in their duty. This council cannot stand any longer. This council has to be dissolved by the DMA immediately, because when they are not accountable to the people, they think they are above the people. They cannot go on ruling this municipal council.
Civil society members had asked the councillors to explain the reason why CO should be transferred, but the councillors left the premises without any discussions. Reporter Savya Dias for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.